install the XTRXL. First thing you do is install the latch. This is going to be a right-hand door. This is a right-hand unit. The cutout, this is for right hand. If you want right-hand reverse, you just switch it. Cutout on the front, you have one through hole here, the 4 smaller ones, and then the cutout for the lock body. On the back, you'll have the extra hole here. It doesn't go through, it only goes about 1 inch deep. And we also have a raceway going from here up and through here, so that route your wires. So the first thing we do is install, after we install the latch, we install the lock body. We stick this in about halfway. And we do this so that we can get a hold of the wire over here and run it through the raceway. So it'll go up through here, and try not to pull too hard on the wire. You're not trying to pull it out, you're just trying to guide it. And then we get the wire coming down through here and through this relief that you already have in your cutout. If you don't, just file some more off or take some more off so you can get the wire up there. The trim will be farther beyond this, so you don't have to worry about it showing. After we get that on, we go ahead and put the plate. The plate has these 2 posts. They will go towards the latch side. Okay. Then when we do that, we don't recommend you use power tools to do this. Should use hand tools, but for this video, I might use the battery operated screwdriver. Okay, so just snug those up. Okay. Get that on. Put your outside lever on. Same thing, has 2 holes that go into these posts. Put this on. Then you'll see a hole on each side. And this you put your wrench in, hex wrench, and you'll screw these screws out like you're loosening them, but really you're driving it into a ridge around the rows of the lever to hold it in. And you'll do that on both sides. Okay. Next we put in our electronics, so we'll put on a reader on the front. The reader has a cable on the bottom side and 4 posts. Guide that through the hole. Sorry, you can't see that very well. And then the 4 posts. So the outside covers all the cutout, and on the inside you have the extra cutout. Next we put on the back plate. It's a little tricky because you have to have this wire come out and the big wire come out. So put that through there. And try not to knock this off. And that goes down through there also. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, so that goes through there. Then we have 4 screws that go through here to screw the post of the reader into the back plate. I'm going to drive those in also with the... Okay. And like I said, there's 4 screws. We'll put those in. I'm only going to put in a couple. Okay, there's 2 more that go in there. I'm not going to put those in right now. So then we install the battery pack. Inside, so you have 2 things. There's a little pigtail on here. The larger cable goes down into this connector right here. The smaller one gets attached to this pigtail. So let me attach this. And make sure you seat it. Great. And then we'll install the larger cable right up here. I already put the batteries in, so you'll hear a beep. Try to tuck these down in there as far as you can. The wires. And then you have that. So you have 2 small black screws. They go up here. the other one. Goes right here. Okay. Then you'll have a cover that goes on top. And then you'll have 3 screws. So 2 screws will be a number 6 screw. They're a little longer than the other. And they're all silver or stainless steel colored. They go in there. And then the kind of the bigger screw, the 832, but it's shorter, goes into the top. And you'll need a Torx with pin in driver for these. This is ligature resistant. And you screw these in. Okay. You also put your screws for your latch in also. You could have done that earlier. We test this, just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. Turned red, then green, that means it's not programmed, but it now operates. It'll lock after 5 seconds. Okay, in order to program this, look at your programming manual, but currently it's in factory mode.